Here's how to fix the Samsung Note 8 that will not turn on, or any similar Android phone where you plug in the charger cord and all you get is a flash of Galaxy and the logo, and it turns off. So what's happening is that the battery has got so discharged that it's not starting the charging circuit, apparently. Something like that. So basically, the battery's too low for it to start charging. So the solution is to find yourself a fast wireless charger and see if that will work, and then plug in a fast charger also at the same time. Okay, now if you're lucky, it'll start working. Or try holding down the power button and the volume down button, and that will get you into this recovery mode here. So the advantage of being in recovery mode is that it's not stuck in this boot cycle where it's flashing the logo and then vibrating and using all the battery power on that vibration and then dying. So yeah, ideally you get into this boot mode and then just leave it. You know, just have it plugged in there and have it plugged in on the wireless charging coil. I actually put it upside down on this wireless charger, and that seemed to work, and I'm just not going to touch it. I can't even demonstrate anything because it's been days I've been trying to charge this thing with every single charger I have around. And this little charger is a piece of crap that I got from the local phone store. This was $50 at Target, made by it's called like, here we go. So this is what I got at Target with a 90-day warranty, so I can buy something cheaper and faster online. So it looks like it's this should work. So I'll update the video if it doesn't later.